इंसान भी अजीब होते हैं, बात कहनी किसी से है मगर कहते किसी और से हैं, और सबसे ज्यादा जो बात कहने में शर्माते या कतराते हैं वो है हैज इट एज्ड वेल की बात, मोहब्बत की बात. Hello and welcome. That was a quote from the 2015 film Dil Dhadakne Do, directed by Zoya Akhtar. Yes, it was. I tried to do my best Amir Khan impersonation.
Actually, no, you were really good.
Yeah?
Bang on with the Amir Khan.
Pluto.
Yeah.
And of course, I'm carrying my butter knife with me for this
Oh my
episode.
God. Fucking lovely. And
So-
I'm carrying a bottle because वो cruise पे shoot हुआ था.
Okay, Urjita, that's a bit of a stretch, but
Satchel, poetry.
she's already introduced herself. But to talk about Dil Dhadakne Do from 2015, starring Priyanka Chopra, Ranveer Singh, Farhan Akhtar, Anil Kapoor, Shefali Shah, Rahul Bose, with me in the studio is none of those people, but I have Urjita Wani, my co-host.
Hello, namaste.
And I should keep the knife
But
down.
enough,
That's
yeah.
what's threatening लग रहा है.
With me, we have.
And a guest for Dil Dhadakne Do with us in the studio. She's a stylist. She doesn't like to call herself an Instagram influencer, but
my
she
God.
may or may not be. But she's a fun person to talk to. She's pretty interesting to follow on Instagram, so do check that out. Please welcome to Has It Aged Well, Mariam Hussain.
She's a content creator, she's an influencer, she's the diva, she's the movement, she's the light, she's the tunnel. Woo!
She's the it
Yeah.
girl.
It girl, yeah.
Cushion गिर गया out of
Cushion
your
गिर गया.
influence.
Hold it.
Mariam, welcome to the show. You said you were very nervous before the recording began.
Yeah, it's just a podcast thing. I think it's
Yeah,
just a camera
exactly.
thing. I can't talk.
Arey, forget the camera is here. You are friends with Urjita anyway, and
Yeah.
pretend I'm not there. But
फिर तो अजीब बातें चालू होगी.
Dil Dhadakne Do from 2015. This is 9 years old at this point.
Yeah.
We've covered, I know, we've
We are
covered
old.
Luck by Chance and
ZNMD.
ZNMD. This film, along with ZNMD, I think has given Zoya the tag of, rich people, first world problems.
Yeah.
She just makes tourism ads and
Yeah.
passes that off as.
And I have a big paragraph worthy point on
Really?
that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Little spoiler alert of what my opinions will be about this film. I feel like this film has grown on me a lot more. Like when it came out, I used to think कि क्या ऐसा ये family dynamics and what is this daily soap that she's made.
Yeah.
But the more I watch this film at this point, I think I like this film a little more than Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Oh.
Yeah.
Abbas,
I mean,
you're
I
maturing
wish-
in life.
I
Thank you
wish
so
मेरी
much.
भी problems ऐसी ही होती.
But Mariam, you remember watching this film for the first time when it came
Yeah.
out? Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you a Zoya Akhtar fan?
Yeah, of course,
Okay.
definitely after ZNMD.
Yeah.
And while I was watching this movie, I was a big Anushka fan. I was like,
Oh.
मैं भी ऐसी ही हूँ.
Many
You know,
girls
full
had that
jolly,
phase, yes.
You know, wearing just black and full goth like vibe.
Right.
Yeah.
मैं घर से भाग
Bubbly,
जाऊंगी.
cute, bubbly
But when I watched
girl.
it yesterday, I was like, you know what? No. I'm Priyank. I want to be Priyank.
See, we're all maturing. Urjita.
Yeah,
This is a
yeah.
maturity podcast.
But I do remember there was this one phase because after Geet, okay, as in Kareena
Yeah.
Kapoor and Jab We Met, Geet had left a wide gap in our hearts to fill because after a point we realized that we love Geet but we can't relate to her anymore that much because she was too loud, and I think usually that point comes in a girl's life when she encounters another fellow Geet and then you realize ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा annoying हो रहा है यार, ये तो real life में उतना मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
Yes.
So then Anushka Sharma filled that gap, I felt.
Oh, really?
Because
Okay.
Anushka Sharma with her cute,
little
bubbly,
bit.
charming attitude.
Yeah.
Honestly, you know, जब भी थोड़ा teenager रहता है ना, तो you try to emulate the one actor you like on screen. So I feel I'm not sure how successful I was, but I also used to think of myself as a cute, bubbly girl.
जिससे
ये वो.
व्यापार करो
We had
उससे
this-
कभी ना प्यार करो.
कभी
Era.
Yeah, because मैं दिखने में तो वैसी नहीं थी. तो
What are you saying?
No, not like I did not look like her. She looked so gorgeous, dude. What are you saying?
I mean, you look cute.
But
Oh my
like
God, girls are hyping each other, guys.
Stop it, girl.
Now you also give her a
Come on,
compliment.
Urjita.
Come on.
you look like Priyanka Chopra. You look
And
like
me?
Aishwarya Rai. You
Rahul Bose.
No, actually, you look like Rahul Khanna, I would say.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Oh,
Thank you, guys. That was our time.
Good looking.
Yeah.
That was.
Yeah. Abbas is good looking. He undermines himself a lot. I
Oh
feel.
man, come on, stop it. Okay.
Yeah, the
Come.
salt and pepper thing you have going on for yourself. Mr. Bajaj from Kasauti Zindagi ki shout out.
Coming back to Dil Dhadakne Do, Urjita, your first memories of watching this film?
मैंने दिल धड़कने दो I wish I had watched it in the theater but I hadn't क्योंकि तभी भी मैं छोटी थी but मैं 9 साल पहले no so this is 2013 right
Yes, 2015.
2015
Yeah.
right yeah okay fine no I was 17 not that young sorry so but दिल
By
धड़कने
that
दो
time, by the way, I was engaged.
oh wow
Ooh.
Wow.
Spoiler alert.
Engaged to the person you're married to right
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
No, the amount of ups and downs that happen in this movie with characters and who they want to be, so I'm just confirming.
Yes, तो दिल धड़कने दो मैंने टीवी पे देखी थी एंड मैंने बहुत बार देखी है दिल धड़कने दो एंड जस्ट लाइक यू माय फ्रेंड व्हेन आई वॉच्ड इट फॉर द फर्स्ट फ्यू टाइम्स बिकॉज आई वाज 17 आई डिडंट नो एनी बेटर the thing is वो टाइम पे ना आई हैड वॉच्ड अ bunch of films जिसमें rich people were having rich people problems या तो प्यार से रिलेटेड compatibility से रिलेटेड आई रिमेंबर देयर अभी मुझे याद नहीं आ रही फिल्म बट आई गेट बैक टू यू देयर वर सो मेनी फिल्म्स which had very non issue issues
Right.
कि ये मुझे इस पे 3 घंटे की फिल्म
A
बनाने
lot
की
of
जरूरत
people
नहीं
have that criticism for Wake Up Sid as well.
हाँ बट नो दैट फिल्म वाज आई थिंक
Sure, that's
Not
a
the-
separate episode, but the one thing that said कि हाँ ठीक है he learns how to make an egg by the end of the film. So what's the
But
what's
that's
the
not the
big
issue. That film, I feel ये boomers का complaint होगा majority because उनको ऐसे रहेगा कि हमको तो किसी ने नहीं
Why
comfort
do you
दिया.
give me that look while
हमको
saying that?
तो-
Ojit?
नहीं हम I'm sure you would relate to
ये
that film
boomers.
more.
I mean, Wake Up Sid is one of my favorite films.
Exactly.
And as a privileged boy, I felt represented for the first time. I was like, yeah, we also have problems, guys.
Yeah.
But anyway,
of
हाँ,
course.
back to Dil Dhadakne Do.
But I was saying कि दिल धड़कने दो I watched the film and with each repeat viewing no I noticed something different about the film
Agreed.
कि इसमें ये भी है and you know so many rich films we have had where the characters were shown as rich just because there was no major conflict in the film like you know हमेशा rich characters दिखाते just so that you can show कि actually प्यार का problem है compatibility issues I'm not saying that is not an issue but there are bigger issues to deal with
Yeah.
and Dil Dhadakne Do has honestly it has tackled so many issues that when you watch the film I don't think any person from any class like this I am saying as a privileged woman only but somebody who has been middle class still I'm middle class but somebody who has been in that position I can say that like see childhood trauma
Right.
पेरेंट का ट्रॉमा जो तुम्हें पास ऑन होता है वो बात उसमें बहुत अच्छे से टैकल की हुई है जो कि नॉट मेनी पीपल टॉक अबाउट दैट एलिमेंट वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो लेटर देन अनदर थिंग इज जस्ट द फैक्ट दैट आयशा इज लिविंग द लाइफ ऑफ every girl out there who is out there to like you know make a mark for herself or just like earn a living कि उसको भी सेम ही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है घर इतना कमा रही है फिर भी घर वाले बोल रहे हैं बच्चा कर
Yeah.
how is that like that to me when I saw that I was like भाई इतनी अमीर लड़की को भी सेम प्रॉब्लम है another problem I'm sure you guys would have noticed this now and not before I can guarantee this is imagine being so wealthy like Ranveer Singh in the film and yet your dad will decide who you're going to marry simply because his decision is getting influenced by money as well
Right.
you would think that ये गरीब लोगों के मतलब to at the risk of sounding crass you would think that maybe this is something like maybe like a poor person would face you know getting married off just because of money issues but ये imagine कि रणवीर सिंह के साथ भी हो रहा है
Yeah.
so even though like it is shown in a very nice way but it is a very मतलब
Universal thing.
yeah universal thing and it's not something that doesn't happen of course people get married off to each other for money and we know of celebrities like that
Yeah.
so but
So, Mariam, speaking of your engagement,
why me
I don't know, since you pointed out.
I just want to say Hussain
For money?
Yeah, actually, we should mention Mariam's then fiance, now husband, has been on our show. It's Hussain, the stand-up comedian, and he's been on our show twice.
Yeah.
So now I was just trying to make a joke out of that.
I think Mariam is more of a celebrity at this point than Hussain
Hussain, I mean, we'd love to have you
Thank
back.
you.
But my first, the big thing that stood out, I think that of all the films she's made, so maybe Gully Boy is an exception, but this is clearly the most critical she's been of the Indian thinking, right? कि तुम चाहे जितने भी अमीर हो जाओ, those regressive things will always be there. The daughter will always get second class treatment. Like you said, the parents will always be very controlling. So I think that's why the criticism of she's just showing first world problems and she's just showing tourism is so great because it's such a contrast to the things that they're facing. कि हाँ अंदर ये लोग अभी भी वो like they're so regressive. It doesn't matter if they can hire a cruise and travel the world. वो बोलते हैं ना यार कि मनी कांट बाय क्लास.
Yeah, that is true for some of the families in the film though,
Yeah,
like
yeah, very
Manoj
much.
Pawa's family.
Yes. Yeah, who speaks everything in plurals. Oh
Yeah.
यार drinks ले ले यार.
Drinks ले ले, yeah.
Everything.
Somebody जिसके बोली से आलिया भट्ट का character was inspired in Darlings.
But Mariam, so since you're a stylist, and I did the very cliche thing of when we had to come to you with movies. I was like, should you do fashion because she's a stylist?
Of course, why not? Why
But
not?
were there any styling choices in this? Like, I remember one of the films you suggested was Ahsoka because that really had an effect on you profoundly.
Yeah, that was like the bachpan ka favorite
Oh.
zone that
Yeah.
I was in. Like, you know those eyeliners, she
Oh,
did,
yeah.
and the draping saris and all.
Yeah.
So I was
सारी है
obsessed.
वो film में. I thought it's just
Yeah,
the
yeah.
bralette thingy
It's a
and
lot.
the
It's a lot of
salwar.
draping. That's what, not
Acha, there
sari.
is.
Like
okay.
in general, also just draping.
हाँ, yeah.
Yeah.
But any, I mean, Zoe Akhtar is known for visual.
I think
the
she
visual look
introduced
of
like a
film.
lot of old money during the 2015s.
Okay.
So that was like
Hmm.
that was really good. But when I watched that movie like long back in 2015, 2016, I was obsessed with Anushka Sharma more
Right.
than Priyanka because I was in that kind of zone. Like I want to wear black, I want to wear a lot of fringes.
Right.
Of course.
The Great Gatsby and all.
Yeah.
But when I watched it today, I was like, wow, dude, ये मतलब 2015 की movie है. I still can't take it. मतलब it looks very new.
Yeah.
The styling and it was done quite well, especially Priyanka Chopra wearing starting with like a lot of colorful outfits. Then uske sad scene mein she's wearing navy blue and purple, and then
Yeah.
achanak se black net and all. So that transition was really like
Can you tell, like, if you have noticed any styling choices with related to the emotions of the film? Like, I have seen a bunch of video essays where people are where the narrator was saying कि देखो ये character basically like I'm sounding like a 6-year-old, but basically जब ये happy है तो इस तरह के कपड़े पहन रहा है, sad है इस तरह के पहन रहा है, contemplative है तो इस तरह के. Then 3 लोग अगर साथ में है, if they are agreeing to things, then they are wearing similar shades, but if they have contrasting opinions, they are wearing different shades.
I'll tell you one thing. I
हाँ, तो
noticed.
बताओ.
वो जो divorce वाला scene है ना,
हाँ.
Priyanka Chopra comes and like मुझे divorce चाहिए.
Yeah.
You notice the Sasu Ma is wearing a blue color, blue and orange color, and everyone around is like wearing very dull colors, and Priyanka is wearing particularly purple. So that what hit me like, अरे यार मतलब proper scene बना हुआ है कि
Yeah,
you
but
know, they are in
purple
the
का क्या
zone.
signify?
Purple signifies a bit of a negativity, थोड़ा सा
Oh.
like sadness, negativity,
Right.
थोड़ा सा.
Okay.
And you see right after the purple, she's wearing a black dress, net wala kuch. So
Which
like
is
she's singing a
the-
song, I think. Again, I had to skip the
Yeah.
thing. And कितने songs है यार.
Yeah.
Black netted dress, I'm guessing, is a universal sign for either divorced woman or somebody who
like-
wants to get a
Yeah.
divorce. Yeah.
Acha, okay.
You don't
Her
remember?
and Farhan Akhtar, they
हाँ.
both were like singing like ऐसा face to face वाला song.
Yeah.
So in that, and then next scene, she's speaking to Farhan Akhtar, and then she kisses him by mistake. Oh my god!
Yeah.
Sorry. By mistake kiss किया. Were you drunk? No. Were you high? No. How is it a mistake?
Emotions took over, Mariam. She didn't know what she was doing. Okay.
इसने भी किया हुआ है, मुझे पता है, मैंने देखा हुआ है.
What?
I haven't seen anything.
Urjita is kidding.
I hope so.
Abbas is like, fuck, उर्जिता ने कब देखा, दरवाजा बंद करने पड़ेंगे अभी.
Yeah, but the funniest reference was this. जब उल्टी करती है ना, तो he's telling Ranveer Singh is telling all this.
puke?
Yakni
Valentino.
pulao.
Yakni pulao,
Yeah.
vomitino.
Louis
And
Vuitton.
did you notice that little detail over there? Something that happens with all of us who like to crack jokes on situations like these. His first joke goes unnoticed. When he says yakni pulao, nobody
Yakni pulao.
notices. And then he's like, अभी तो और बोलना
और
पड़ेगा
कहना है.
क्योंकि मिस कर दिया. Which is so true.
This only comedians can know.
Yeah.
तो हमें पता है, अरे क्यों कोई हंसा क्यों नहीं?
Yeah.
एक और एक,
And then like and then also something that also happens is like when your joke goes unnoticed and when you try to repeat it, there will be at least one person who will look at you and go, पहली बार सुना था बस जानबूझ के इग्नोर किया.
Yeah, so Vikrant Masi gives that look, na. Then the girl who plays Noori is like, "What? It's funny."
Yeah.
So even she has to defend the fact that she's laughing.
Yeah.
Anyway, here's the 2-line synopsis on IMDb of Zindagi Na Milegi. Sorry, not Zindagi Na, of Dil Dhadakne Do. On the occasion of the 30th anniversary, Kamal and Neelam invite their family and friends on a cruise. However, on the journey, they learn many life lessons and change for the better. So. Here's your moment, Urjita. What's your paragraph-long take on Zoya Akhtar being criticized for showing rich people first
So
world
I think
problems?
I already said it also in a way पहले, but but वही मेरा I think same thing, वही मेरा point था कि इस फिल्म के अगर आप problems if you note down on a paper, childhood trauma, parent trauma, like you know, deep-rooted sexism, that also that is just like that it happens at every point. तुम rich हो, poor हो, कोई भी level पे हो, and especially if you're in India, it happens a lot. Like I'm sure sexism happens otherwise also बाहर, उधर भी अमीर लड़कियों को face करना पड़ रहा होगा, but India में it is तो there only because so many of our sexist practices are interlinked with culture.
Correct.
जैसे like having a baby, like you still, like my mom still feels like I'm joking when I say I don't want to have kids, and I'm like, mama,
is your mom watching this?
I don't know, she might, but she knows I don't want to have kids, and she still thinks that abhi bhi bachchi. I'm like, I'm 26, mama. I think I'm old enough to make that choice. But you see, everything is, it all boils down to this is not our culture.
Right.
Not having kids is not our culture.
Right.
Like my parents still think that why you're educated, you earn money, why don't you want to have kids? They are always like कि तुझे क्या तकलीफ है? बात अगर थोड़ा मजबूरी में हो तो फिर भी समझ आता है, but why? But again, so many of those points and issues were brought up, and और भी 2-3 points मुझे याद आएंगे तो बताऊंगी. But basically, yeah, I feel like though like her points and issues are very much universal.
Yeah, like
and
allowing your wife
to
Yeah.
that just hit me. I'm like, yeah.
And also
You just proved my point.
Yeah. And what I really loved about that whole conversation is that, and just every conversation in Dil Dhadakne Do, कि none of those conversations sound scripted.
Yeah.
Like you know how when you hear like these iconic lines in films कि मैं अभी भी फेंकी हुआ पैसे नहीं उठाता, और just like of course that's a great legendary line, but ऐसे काफ़ी अभी भी आप जब भी काफ़ी मूवीज़ का अगर आप स्क्रिप्ट देखोगे आपको लगेगा गुड लाइन, बट आई हैव नॉट सीन एनीबडी टॉक लाइक दिस इन पर्सन. आई हैव नेवर सीन. दिल धड़कने दो, सो मेनी डायलॉग्स, यू आर लाइक मैंने देखा मेरे एक दोस्त को सेम ये चीज़ बोलते हुए.
Relatives only a lot of.
एग्जैक्टली मैंने उसको अलाउ किया. लाइक इतने सटल वे में लोग बोल के दिखाते हैं कि हाँ मतलब you know, like boys will not say now कि I allowed you to do it, but they'll say indirectly कि you know, come on, I know your job is important, but मेरी माँ भी तो आ रही है, can you please come on, like इतना तो freedom दे रखा है तुम्हें. They will
in some or the other
way. So I mean, it happens.
I like that Rahul Bose's response when Farhan Akhtar calls him out. What do you mean you allow? Rahul Bose's response is, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
You know, so it's like in our privileged circles, we say it so often that, come on, you know what I mean, right? You've heard this before. That's this one point though, I think, where Parmeet Sethi's character comes to Anil Kapoor and he's talking about their children, and he's like, क्यों ना हम अपनी दोस्ती को रिश्तेदारी में, and it's almost like the film is calling out. I'm going to say a cliche line right now.
Yeah.
Be prepared for that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I do that. I want to ask a question to both of you. Do you have a brother?
I have a cousin, not a real.
Okay.
brother.
Do you have a brother?
Yeah, I have 2 brothers.
You have 2 brothers, younger or elder?
Younger.
Do you think the representation of the sibling relationship is authentic in this film? Because
Yeah,
that's we
definitely.
very rarely see this kind of a playful
You have a
relationship.
sister, no?
I have an
I
elder
think.
sister. Because in Bollywood, in Hindi cinema, the brother has to be this protective guy who has to protect the
और it's
sister.
like नफरत वाला thing.
हाँ,
that
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
like property में कुछ तो हो रहा है.
Yeah.
But here he also understands कि नहीं यार, मतलब my sister is actually good with something and she should do this.
Yeah.
So yeah, like yeah.
Like even the one little scene where they're eating ice cream and Ranveer takes Priyanka's ice cream and she's pissed, why do you always take my ice cream?
Yeah.
That's such a nice sweet moment,
Yeah.
and for whatever reason we've never seen that sibling relationship much in Hindi cinema. So
भाई
yeah.
मतलब एग्जिस्ट करता है बहन की इज्जत की रक्षा करने.
Exactly, yes,
That's
yeah.
what we have seen.
Yeah, me and my elder sister, is Ranveer the younger one here? I think he's
Younger
the
one,
yeah.
he's the younger one.
So yeah, I think I was very happy to see that dynamic being portrayed. The the rumor was that the roles were written for like Zoya and Farhan, like when she wrote it, but she refuses to admit to that. I don't know if it's because she's blatantly shown that the boy gets more preference than the girl. So I don't know. Javed Saab, you have some questions to answer.
Yeah.
But it is a fact that Zoya did take longer to establish herself in the film industry than Farhan did.
Of course.
Farhan arrived with Dil Chahta and Zoya took much later. But I think both Priyanka and Ranveer are really good in this film.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
they, like lot of sibling wala feeling to आया बहुत
Yeah.
ज़्यादा.
And they are such good actors that I think उससे कुछ ही I think 2 साल पहले बाजीराव मस्तानी आई थी.
Yeah.
Bajiram Mastani, I think
Bajiram
2013 में आई थी. Yeah. So which is why I remember during the promotions also, like yesterday I was watching their promotional videos. उसमें भी कपिल शर्मा के शो में वो एक बहुत ही फनी डायलॉग है. कपिल ही बोल रहा है कि आप पहले बाजीराव मस्तानी की, और उसमें they have this hot steaming scene, no? So then they're like, he's like कि आपने वो किया and now you're doing दिल धड़कने दो. And honestly so true, like I love to watch a film where you can see the actors and forget कि इन्होंने पहले कौन सा काम साथ में किया है, because you honestly रणवीर को देख के लगता नहीं यार सेम आदमी ने बाजीराव मस्तानी भी किया रहेगा. They look like poles apart, both the characters.
I just realized this episode is coinciding with Raksha Bandhan. What timing, guys!
Wow.
Yeah. But did you know that when the film was conceived, Kareena Kapoor and Ranbir Kapoor were cast?
Yes,
Because
yes.
again, they have not played siblings on screen. But then when Ranbir walked out, so did Kareena, because one of the main reasons for her to sign on was to play Ranbir's sister on screen.
करीना बहुत करती है ना, एक्टर नहीं रहे, एक्टर के बेसिस पे
वो नहीं करेगा तो मैं नहीं करूँगी.
या व्हाई डू दिस करो यार, you would have been fantastic in the role. Priyanka was also very
Oh, no,
good.
Yeah,
Priyanka was
she's really
really
good.
good.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah.
The Shefali Shah character was offered to Madhuri Dixit, Tabu and Raveena Tandon. And all three of them said they liked the role, but they turned it down because neither of them wanted to play mother to Ranveer Singh. But then I thought about it that Tabu played mother to Shahid Kapoor in I think Haider, which came around the same time.
Yeah.
But then I thought maybe Haider there is a little bit. I think she's playing a stepmother firstly.
She's playing a no real mother.
Is she the real mother?
I think she is,
Okay.
but I'm not sure.
And there is that little bit of Oedipal thing in Haider.
Yeah, and also
so,
Tabu
yeah.
is still shown as the object of desire in the film,
Correct,
because the
yeah.
entire film is
Plus,
revolving.
Tabu is tall, by the way.
Yeah.
Ranveer isn't?
So like, I'm talking about the father.
Oh, Anil Kapoor.
Guys.
But that hasn't deterred producers from casting her against shorter actors. So I mean.
Yeah, Shabana ji is also very tall as compared to Javed.
Yeah. Also, Tabu was cast opposite Anil Kapoor once. Guess when?
BB number 1.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
you guys are
Way
really
back.
good with movies.
No, because we just covered the movie a few episodes ago.
Yeah.
But-
लेने देना compliment क्या कर रहा है यार? हाँ मैं yes correct.
But I think Shefali Shah is really good.
Yeah.
I think this is the one film that I think kind of kicks off her second innings.
But you know the relationship with her and her daughter was like, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, like you know a daughter comes with a problem and mom is like, क्या ऐसे तो
Again?
होता ही है.
Again?
चल बाद में आना. I noticed like 3-4 बार she does like बाद में आना है, like मुझे कुछ बोलना है मम्मा, like सुन लो मेरी बात.
Yeah.
Yes,
but,
girls, let's unpack this mother-daughter relationship.
Yeah, it is
Another.
somewhat थोड़ा है, मतलब
Okay.
इतना नहीं है जितना
Right.
बताया गया है. But
Yeah.
I do have somewhat relationship, and I kind of guilt trip my mom sometimes
Okay. Like, give me an example.
because I am the experiment
Context.
child.
Mariam
Wait
is
a
the
minute.
eldest child.
He said she's the experiment child.
Yeah, that's what eldest
Oh, yeah.
are the experiment.
You were the lab rat for
Lab rat.
everything.
Yeah.
अब
So
बस
I
कुछ और ही
always
सोच रहा है.
and my mom had me when she was 18.
Whoa,
So like quite
that's
young. It's not
Yeah,
her
yeah,
fault, मतलब
yeah.
of course.
Yeah.
तुमने बच्चा मुझे पैदा किया है, संभालो मुझे.
बेचारी मरियम को अपने आगे के सिबलिंग्स को भी संभालना पड़ा था.
But yeah, I was you know yelled at a lot for no reason and kind of hit a lot. Yeah, थोड़ा सा मतलब.
हाँ.
It's okay. I mean,
It's
it's
okay, all
my
our
mom
parents
is
have
not bad.
hated.
She's amazing. Okay. Wait.
I was waiting किस point पे मरियम cover up
Yeah,
मारेगी.
like, should we? अभी तो ये तारे ज़मीं पर
But yeah, I
episode
do
है.
guilt trip my mom a lot in this. Like, याद है तुमने बचपन में ये किया था. Yeah. And I have a like very young brother. Like he's just 14. I remember like वो मेरा बच्चा ही है मतलब technically.
Yeah, but ऐसा कुछ मैं अपनी माँ को गिनाने जाऊँ ना, she'll be like, "चल bow it." So that's how the conversation would end. So I
No, once you get married ना ऐसा नहीं होगा.
Nice.
But you're the only child, is
No,
it?
no, no,
You,
I have
you
an
have a
older
sister,
sister.
of course. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
so you have a.
Oh, you have an elder sister. So
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
that doesn't work on you.
Yeah.
You know, that can work on her.
That's true.
not
That's
on you.
true. Yeah. Yeah.
मैं तो राजा बेटा था जब जो सीन्स में रणवीर
I
सिंह
hate
इसमें ऐसे पैम्पर हो रहा है मारा आई फील रिप्रेजेंटेड व्हाट इज दिस इसको तो बस मिल रहा है सब कुछ
अब बस उसमें गलत क्या है
हाँ,
इसमें?
गलत क्या है
मिलना तो
इसमें?
चाहिए। फ्लाइट क्यों नहीं
इतने
दे रहे
चांसेस मिल रहे हैं इसको प्लेन उड़ाने दो यार।
बच्चे को प्लेन क्यों नहीं दिला रहे गंदे माँ बाप? बट आई हैड अनदर
Yeah.
पॉइंट, शेफाली शाह वाला मुझे अभी याद आया। अनदर प्रॉब्लम दैट इज वेरी यूनिवर्सल एंड इट इज like associated with every class and caste, no matter where you are, how you're born, is the wife being financially dependent on the husband,
A lot.
and the wife cannot have a say in any of his like personal and professional stuff simply because she's dependent on him. And so much so that my favorite moment from this film is when Ranveer Singh, when all four of them are having this fight in the hospital room, where Ranveer literally looks into her eyes and says कि आप उनको छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि आप dependent हो उन पे, बोल क्यों नहीं देते? Which is like, you can see, I think Shefali Shah ka brilliance in that scene is next level, because you can see the guilt and anger in her eyes.
Yeah.
You're like,
she's a
you
great
are,
actress.
yeah, you like,
She
she's
was in the zone, like totally.
yeah. She's like, you can see it in her eyes that, you know, you are right, bitch, but shut the fuck up. Why do you have to spell it loud? And
She
like
also
that is
says it na last में, सब तो बोल दिया, आप क्या बोलना है?
सब तो exactly, and you can see her the helplessness in her eyes, with like, which is something मैंने ये एक ऐसे भी पढ़ा था काफ़ी टाइम पहले कि you know especially Indian women, हम बचपन से like when we are in our prime, हमें बोला जाता है कि you know उसका हस्बैंड का जॉब है बाहर जाके काम करना, आपका जॉब है घर पे बैठ के बच्चे बच्चे संभालना, एंड दिस इज हाउ द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज सपोज टू बी, राइट? लाइक हम दोनों काम करें, इट्स जस्ट दैट मेरा घर का काम है, आपका बाहर का काम है. एज सुन एज यू हिट लाइक योर peak as in 40 or something, जब भी तुम्हारे बच्चे बड़े हो गए, now there is nothing left for you to do at home as such, suddenly you are made to feel unemployed, even though technically both of us have worked, right? So how is it that I am left with no savings of my own and you have the empire or whatever, जो भी है.
I remember this one point where I was 17, I was engaged, like recently engaged, and me and Hussain started talking. So he asked me like, what are your goals? I'm like, I don't know. I was very confused. I was 17 firstly, and he's like, just a context, even after we get married, I don't want to have kids for like 5-6 years, so you might have to do something. You know, you might have to have goals. I'm like, what? I can do that? Thank you.
Hussain green flag.
Hussain
Yeah.
Definitely agree.
Hussain bare minimum
So I
करने
even
के
asked
लिए
him like,
green
you
flag.
will allow me? He's like, he did.
Have you
even-
ever seen this film with him?
No.
Oh, okay. That would have been an interesting
Yeah.
watching experience.
Yeah, he would have been like, देख मैं कितना अच्छा हूँ.
But do you do
Yeah.
this whenever there's like a whatever problematic scene where a guy is being a dick? Do you just, and if you're watching a film together, do you give him a side eye? Be like,
Yeah.
But also another point I had, I thought alternate ending में किया जा सकता है, but I think I'll discuss it
हाँ.
now only. Like see, दिल धड़कने दो, कितना भी हम बोल ले, it is still a film of 2015, which
Okay.
is like almost 10 years ago.
Yeah.
तो वो टाइम पे जो प्रॉब्लम्स थोड़े ट्रेंडिंग थे, वो उसके बारे में जोया अख्तर ने बात की कि लाइक कभी भी हम वी वर डीलिंग विद फेमिनिज्म मतलब वो बेसिक लेवल का फेमिनिज्म की लड़कियां काम करनी चाहिए कि नहीं. अभी बात थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ गई है. नाउ वी सी डिफरेंट शेड्स ऑफ रेड फ्लैग्स ऑल्सो, लाइक यू नो मे बी नाउ आई फील इफ टुडे दिल धड़कने दो वाज मेड, मे बी देयर वुड बी अ कैरेक्टर हु इज अ नाइस गाय. Like we had an entire discussion on nice flags during the snail
R/nice guys.
r/nice guys. Maybe there one character would be a nice guy who's supposedly a supposedly a feminist, but then
थोड़ा
you
सा
see
fuck, what's his name? Manoj Pao अंदर से तरह बाहर आ गया.
yeah.
This guy's a feminism.
yeah. Somebody
Sorry.
who's like will be supposedly a feminist, बार
Yeah.
बात करे जा रहा about how he's a feminist, but then only for you to realize by the end actually not so much.
Can I make an argument that actually that character in this movie is Sunny, the Farhan Akhtar character, and then maybe if pushed a little more, he would then reveal himself to be that character. Because my thing is that scene, as good as it is, where Sunny is pointing out to the Rahul Bose character that how can you allow, I'm like, still there the woman is the viewer between two men, right? So it still takes that guy to point out to the other person.
There is nothing wrong with that because
I get what you're saying.
point तो वही है ना कि जब तक मर्द लोग आपस में वो
नहीं
बात नहीं
करेंगे,
करते. I think that is the whole point. That suppose if you are a guy and you are really a feminist, but जब भी तुम्हारे दोस्त तुम्हारे सामने sexist बातें कर रहे, if you don't correct them,
Correct.
it is not going to happen because लड़कियाँ correct करेगी, so then you be like हाँ चल इसका चालू हो गया वापस.
There is that scene, that is that line also ना. Manoj Pawar is talking to Anil Kapoor and he's like कि अरे हम इतने सालों से अपनी बीवियों को तो बर्दाश्त कर ही रहे हैं कि इसको तो कर ही लेते हैं 2 हफ्ते तक
So
बर्दाश्त.
this is how boys talk with each other, no, when nobody is around.
This is why I love this movie, right? I think that Zindagi Na Milegi, this film is so much more layered than ZNMD, which is just boys dealing with their issues by going on a trip.
Yeah.
So also do you think like I felt like this was some of these issues were like kind of what Zoya then explored in Made in Heaven, where she has more time and more stories to deal with.
Yes.
She kind of explored some of these things because those scenes of
My favorite episode was this, girl getting the treatment done on her face to get it whitened.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Yes.
that still happens. Like,
Yeah.
I was shocked.
You want to take names?
No. I have a lot of relatives. I don't want to take names.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we know it was one of Mariam's relatives. But yeah, that's true. I think, especially like those kitty party scenes where women are sitting and gossiping. As like a lot of this was carried forward to Made in Heaven, where she has a lot more time.
That
to
scene
deal
also
with that.
reminded me of that kitty party scene in Luck by Chance. जब भी वो Juhi Chawla and all the others are
Right,
discussing
yeah.
who will be the new
Yes.
face. Like very similar vibe I got.
Yeah. Okay, we have to take a quick break. When we come back, I have some more opinions on Dil Dhadakne Do. But if you're watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with anyone who you think will enjoy it. We'll see you on the other side of this break. Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Cyrus Says, we welcome the bold and unapologetic duo Naina Bhan and Sakshi Shivdasani from the Moment of Silence podcast. The girls point out their frustration in modern relationships, splitting bills, and how they deal with online trolls with their trademark sassy humor and youthful energy. On A Century of Stories, Kunal tells us the story of how the Jaguar Land Rover came to India. Find out how Ratan Tata's leadership played a pivotal role in this iconic acquisition in the 2000s. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word, tell your friends, and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week, IDFC First Bank and Grab. And we're back on Hazard Age, where we're talking about Dil Dhadakne Do from 2015, directed by Zoya Akhtar, with Urjita and Mariam. What did you guys think of Pluto the dog being the narrator of this story?
I think there was a great representation for a dwarf planet. काफी ज़्यादा
What?
प्लूटो को जो
Considering the actor who voices him, you could have just stopped at dwarf.
अरे यार ये मैं नहीं बोल रही, ये अब्बास बोल रहा है, मेरे दिमाग में भी नहीं था ये.
And Imran Khan has been on this, so sorry.
Yeah, अब्बास, why would you say that? Fuck, अभी ये मेरा point cut करेगा just because इसका joke आ गया है.
No, this stays on.
But no, Pluto, I feel like तो great name for the dog because वो सबसे दूर है पर फिर भी सबके पास है.
Aww.
Yeah, which is exactly what Pluto does. Pluto is not even a planet anymore, and yet we know so much about Pluto.
तो डिज्नी के कुत्ते के ऊपर रखा है, डिज्नी का जो कुत्ता है प्लूटो.
Yeah.
हाँ क्या?
Yeah. Pluto
काटू
the
आप
dog.
काटू.
Yeah.
मैंने तो ज्यादा ही देख लिया. I did one of those things where the poet didn't want to say anything, and yet I was like, इसमें उन्होंने 2 paragraph बोल दिए.
But you know, when I started the movie yesterday, I didn't realize जो narrate कर रहा है वो dog है. Like, हैं? ये मैंने बहुत पहले देखी थी movie लगता है. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
And I kept thinking I had forgotten that they reveal it pretty early on. मुझे लगा था end में reveal होता है. But I'm like, no, they actually reveal it quite early. So interestingly, all the monologues for Pluto were written by Javed Akhtar.
Yeah.
And originally the idea was to have Javed Akhtar narrate, be the voice of Pluto. And apparently voiceovers were recorded also. But I think like a month before the release of the film, somebody pointed out that they should have...
Imagine Amitabh Bachchan. Wild. I would have loved loved the movie, bro.
Yeah. फिर जब भी that would have been a very controversial scene जब भी राहुल बोस कुत्ते को शू करने बोलता है, आपने अमित जी को शू कैसे किया, हिम्मत कैसी हुई आपकी?
ये इंसान भी बड़े अजीब होते हैं.
Yeah. Then I think maybe then people would have thought of Rahul Bose as a definite villain कि हाँ बराबर है, बीवी एक तो साला बीवी को काम नहीं करने दे रहा है, हाँ बीवी को ताने मार रहा है.
I will come to Rahul Bose. Rahul Bose is amazing in this film. But do either of you remember the controversy that an Amir Khan dog controversy that happened a couple of years? Okay. So Amir Khan in the early years of social media used to blog. Okay, he used to write a blog like once a week or whatever. So I think to coincide with the release of Dil Dhadakne Do or something, it was a secret that Amir is going to be in the movie, whatever. But he wrote a blog post from the point of view of a dog. Okay. And everybody's reading it, and then I don't know why, whose idea was it? Was it Amir thinking he's being really funny? He signed off the blog in such a way that the name of the dog was Shah Rukh. Okay, yes. So there was this huge controversy कि आमिर खान ने अपने कुत्ते का नाम शाहरुख रखा है आमिर. And then Amir thought he was doing it as a joke.
Yeah.
So but he had to like come out and clarify everything, and he was like, no, I don't mean any offense to Shah Rukh. We are both friends. But this became a huge deal.
I'm sure Shah Rukh would have been like very funny.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
मुझे तो लोग बकरियों के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं.
If Urshita would do this
I'm
to
on
me,
a
I
roll
would laugh
today.
at it.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
be like,
Exactly.
I've already offended Amir and Shah Rukh. I just have to offend Salman. But nice touch. I
वो
think.
भी किया रहेगा हमने कहीं तो बहुत एपिसोड में
do
किया
that.
रहेगा.
No, I won't do that. But
मरियम ऐसा लग रहा है पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से बोल रही है.
ना बेटा नहीं करते. Did you guys think the voiceover got a little like preachy and a little irritating at times? Like at times it wasn't required. Still the voiceover was coming
I
in.
think that was the age of spelling out things. क्योंकि नए कॉन्सेप्ट्स काफ़ी ये सारे आ रहे थे वो टाइम पे. आई एम गेसिंग तभी आई थिंक फेमिनिज्म एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट इन इंडिया लाइक द वर्ड.
I mean, yeah, but stop saying as if it was invented in 2015.
It wasn't invented,
Yeah.
but वो टाइम पे भी बात हो रही थी ना अपनी बॉलीवुड मूवीज में भी वो टाइम के अराउंड, विच इज़ व्हाई आई एम सेइंग कि मे बी बिकॉज ऑल्सो अगेन जोया अख्तर wanted this movie to be accessible, I am guessing, which is why
Correct.
I think so like some things were spelt out. Like many people feel that now, many people feel that Farhan Akhtar's character, like you also said, he sounded like a wannabe feminist,
yeah.
like an wannabe
Maybe you
ally.
explore-
at the end वो भी बोल ही देता है ना कि you know मैं तुम्हारे पापा का मैनेजर का बेटा हूँ, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
So he also gets that कि मुझे पैसे कमाने पड़ेंगे to stand to your level.
Yeah.
So
But that is fair, I feel. It's not exactly a sexist
I mean,
thing to say.
if suppose girl were instead of him, would she tell that same thing?
She could have.
If the roles were opposite, कि मैं तुम्हारे level तक नहीं हूँ.
Because लड़कियों को नहीं जरूरत पड़ती है
Yeah,
ना.
that's what ना.
अच्छा, so
वही
you are
तो.
saying. But I see, honestly, like here is where I feel like there's nothing wrong with a guy wanting to match up to the girl, and it's not even like ऐसा भी नहीं उसको उसके income से match करना है. फरहान अख्तर, maybe he does not give a fuck about if he was coming from a similar background as Priyanka Chopra, maybe उसको उतना earn करने का मन नहीं करता. ऐसा मन नहीं करता as in like we need to earn the same or I need to earn more than you. It is not coming from those lens. It was coming from the lens of कि मैं तुम्हारे डैड के मैनेजर का बेटा हूँ. Already मैं social class में I'm like multiple steps lower than you. So
Right.
at least I needed to earn, or like not even earn as much as you, but earn something. Like I not
The bitter
just
truth.
या बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली अगर वो टाइम पे ऑनेस्टली इफ यू थिंक अबाउट इट फ्रॉम हिज पर्सपेक्टिव, अगर वो तभी कमा नहीं रहा था और तभी अगर प्रियंका का हाथ मांगने जाता तो वो गोल्ड डिगर ही साउंड करता ना. इवन नाउ फरहान अख्तर, आई डोंट थिंक विथ हिज जर्नलिज्म जॉब वाज अर्निंग मोर देन प्रियंका चोपड़ा इन एनी वे by a huge mile. I am guessing she is earning more than him. So now there is
Yeah.
that is not an issue. Like वो तो issue आता भी नहीं है even in the end when they are coming together. वो issue है ही नहीं कि बाबा प्रियंका is earning more than him. So I feel like that somewhere over there is redeemed.
So okay, Priyanka will be his sugar mama, man. Journalists need taking care of, is all I'm saying. She has a
She already is a sugar mama.
yeah, she has a nice travel agency, whatever, travel platform. So let her take care
Yeah,
of him. man.
Oh, acha, okay. No, he's talking about the
Musafir.
movie, not the
Yeah,
actual.
not in reality.
I know that, but movie में भी उसका travel platform.
Yeah,
है.
it's called
travel.
Musafir.
Musafir.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah.
Yeah.
Right now she has a hair care brand.
Yeah. I don't know why.
And it's
Anomaly.
like really successful.
Anomaly.
Touch wood.
But in
She's
my head,
doing
I don't know why I was thinking कि Aika उसकी company है, and then I remembered no नहीं है actually.
Aika is such a cringe name. Aisha
No,
Kabir.
but, yeah,
Aika.
but I was like,
I'm
didn't,
oh.
Nykaa didn't sue them or it sounds too close to Nykaa.
What?
Yeah.
Nykaa didn't even hit me.
Same.
Really?
Not even
Yeah.
for once.
The moment I saw Aika, I was like, sounds just like Nykaa.
Oh. I was like Aika in Marathi means listen.
Which Anil Kapoor wants everybody in this movie to
Yeah.
do. So yeah.
Yes.
But
Another issue I wanted to talk about was issue as in the movie Mehi issue, which is such a nice, मुझे इतना funny लगा वो चीज़ कि अनिल कपूर ने आयशा का नाम कार्ड पे नहीं डाला एंड दैट बिकम्स एन इशू और वो एक दूसरे से बात किए जा रहे हैं लाइक शेफाली शाह बाद में उसको बोलती है अनिल कपूर को तुमने आयशा का नाम क्यों नहीं
मैंने
डाला
पहले ही बोला था
या एंड देन अनिल कपूर इज ऑल्सो लाइक एक्सप्लेनिंग इट इन सच अ वे कि आयशा का नाम डाला तो मानव का भी डालना पड़ेगा और मानव का डाला तो लोगों को लगेगा ही स्पॉन्सरिंग द
paying for
ट्रिप
the
यू नो
trip. Yeah.
इट्स व्हिच इज लाइक इट दिस इज वन कन्वर्सेशन दैट आई हैव सीन इन माय फैमिली
Yeah.
आल्सो
Yeah.
exact same conversation happened and I'm like so true.
Yeah,
this happens.
when your name wasn't put when your parents went on a cruise.
Yeah.
बट यार
Yeah.
आप लोग इतने अमीर हो तो अगर मानव भी कर रहा है थोड़ा स्पॉन्सर तो ठीक है ना.
नहीं it's a-
नहीं
it's
तो
a issue.
अमीरों का वही तो पूरा वो गर्व वही है ना that we
Yeah.
are.
Also,
paying
you
anyone.
feel like showing off your wealth more when you actually are in debts and losses. तो उसमें वो और ego hit होता है. Like if Anil Kapoor had a lot of money and if he was secure, like you know, off the top of my head, I can think of Satish Shah in हम साथ साथ है. Like you know, Satish Shah is so wealthy, उसके बैंगलोर में वगैरह फ्लैट है that he does not give a fuck about कि ये जो है
Yeah.
अपना समधी ये किसके नाम पे पूरा अपना प्रॉपर्टी करता है. You know, like two contrast. But Anil
Yeah.
Kapoor here is very insecure about his wealth, so all the more reason for him to not have Manav on the card. So makes sense.
I want to talk about Rahul Bose. I think he plays an amazing dick.
उसको हमेशा नेगेटिव रोल ही मिलता है. And he is good at it.
He's so good at it. Like he's genuinely seems frustrated with Aisha's family.
I wonder what his comment section looks like. Like you should just एक बार देखना चाहिए.
You know, there's a football stadium named after him in Orissa.
What really?
Yeah, he's a professional rugby player, and which is why there's one scene in this film where Priyanka and him are playing tennis.
Yeah.
And he's supposed to be a squash, and he's supposed to be a bad squash player, and he's trying really hard to be a bad sportsman.
Yeah.
The way that scene is framed.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's represented.
Also, his first movie
India.
that I've seen is with this young boy. He's teaching.
Oh, Chain Kuli ki Main Kuli.
Chain Kuli ki Main
So
Kuli.
good.
It was really
so
good
good.
movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a really good guy, but in this
Yeah.
film he's a pretty
Asshole.
big asshole. and
Rahul
very
Bose
well.
is one of those very few actors who can play the subtle, you know,
Yeah.
red
Villain
flag.
role,
Yeah.
काफी.
Like even Bulbul, like really good.
Oh,
he
वो
did like
उसमें तो बिल्कुल subtle नहीं था, but yeah.
yeah,
But yeah, I think Rahul Bose ने और कौन सी मूवी में negative characters किया है? काफी movies में किया है,
He
मुझे
plays
याद
grey
नहीं आ रहा है.
characters. Yeah, I can't
Grey
think of
character.
one
like very
right now.
not like very negative, like full villain, but yeah, some of them.
Isn't he also in like one of these Bahubali films or something? He's in some very big budget Telugu film that came out or is gonna come out. I
तेलुगु
think.
फिल्म में तो मुझे
Telugu,
नहीं,
I
I
have
don't know
no
them.
idea.
Yeah.
हाँ, so maybe that hasn't released, but he came on Cyrus and he was talking about this how they shoot on like such big budgets. So I think he's playing and he was playing a villain in that movie as well. So he's going to be a full-fledged villain
Good
very
choice.
soon.
Also, can I big shout out to Rahul Bose dancing in that song धक्का 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 धड़के ये
गल्ला गुलिया,
उसमें गल्ला गुड़िया वो आता है, he just does this and then end. उसका उतना ही दिखाया हुआ है. Yeah, that's
I
it.
actually skipped the song.
Yeah.
Dude, Galla Gudiya is a wonderfully
Yeah.
filmed song.
Yeah.
The way they're passing the mic and हर एक को कुछ करने को मिल रहा है.
And it's a one take song.
It's really?
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
Wow.
one take
It
song.
has to be like
Yeah,
shot in
yeah.
certain
Yeah, I remember
way.
this being mentioned in every promotions also. Every
Okay.
promotion ki this is a one take song, one take
Right.
song, which is very rare.
The song between Ranveer and Anushka, that's also really good. Pehli baar yaad hai. I think Shankar Ehsaan Loy do their best work with the Akhtar siblings.
Yeah.
Like even background score is amazing.
Yeah.
For ZNMD, for Dil Chahta Hai, all of them. I
And
think
they knew the
bring
chemistry of
something.
Anushka and Ranveer.
Yeah.
Like, पहली movie Anushka की I think आई थी.
Oh yeah, Band
remember?
Baja Barat. Yeah,
Band
yeah.
Baja
But
Barat.
her first film was Rande Manadi Chodi. Band Baja
Oh,
Barat
yes,
was her
yes,
second
yes.
film.
Yeah,
वो
I
Ranveer's
always
first
forget.
film.
I always forget
वो
that
actually
movie.
बहुत I think same साल में या तो back to back साल में आई थी, which is why people forget.
Imagine
Yeah,
now
yeah.
Anushka Sharma's first movie with Shah Rukh.
Yeah.
And even Deepika's also. First
Yeah.
movie with Shah Rukh.
Mm.
Yeah.
Speaking of first and second movies, this is Vikrant Masi's second film.
Oh, yeah.
He looks such a kid in this film. I was like, I can't believe
I
it's
didn't
him.
realize. I actually forgot that he was in this movie.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, dude.
Such a cute bacha he looks like.
Yeah.
Then. And I remember seeing Vikrant Masi in Balika Vadhu, his TV show.
What?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I have that memory anymore.
He was there. He was Sugna's husband. Yes. Vikrant Masi, by the way, in Balika Vadhu also played this character where in a village, जब भी वो लड़की विधवा बन जाती है सुगना, उससे वो शादी करता है.
She's the child bride.
No, not the
No,
child bride.
okay.
She is the older one.
Okay.
So मतलब 17-18 की थी
हाँ,
होगी
हाँ,
जब भी उसकी
हाँ,
शादी होती है और
हाँ.
पति मर जाता है. So
Yeah.
then like she plays the widow and then he comes into her life.
Yeah.
He falls in love
Considering
with her.
Balika Vadhu, she's like a mature woman at that.
Exactly.
Yeah. 18 is like a right age to get engaged.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Balika Vadhu is sitting right here, guys.
Wow.
But I think it was the best decision. Thank God.
Yeah.
I got a
Yeah.
boyfriend for free. Live it up, boyfriend. Rakh.
Enjoy. But
I
हाँ.
love the supporting cast. Divya Seth, Manoj Pava, like I mentioned, Aisha Raza, who plays his wife. All of them are really good. Like somehow they give that feeling of a tour पे जाता है ना जब एक पूरा group.
Yes.
It's really cool.
I love the haircuts also. Like इतने haircuts हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा
Yeah.
puffy वाले हैं.
हाँ.
So
और also the subtle signs also like अभी जैसे how do you show enmity between two families? वो दोनों family, एक family मनोज पावा की जब भी फोटो खींच रही है,
Yeah.
पीछे से परमित सेठी की आती है एंड मनोज पावा looks at him and goes कोई नहीं और
हाँ,
खींचो
एक और खींच ले.
और खींचो एंड देन फिर वो जब भी क्रॉस भी हो रहे हैं वो बीवियां एक दूसरे के
Bags.
पर्सेस बैग्स की तरफ
yeah,
देखते
they
हैं.
match.
They match. Just it was hilarious, dude. I really laughed a lot during that scene. So that I really liked. What I also liked about the film was like you know when you are on a trip. जब भी पुराने दूसरे बॉलीवुड मूवीज में ट्रिप्स वगैरह दिखाए सो इट्स ऑलवेज अबाउट द सॉन्ग एंड डांस और लाइक दिस डिनर टेबल कॉन्वर्सेशंस एंड ऑल बट आई लव दोज लिटिल सीन्स ड्यूरिंग द नाइट ऑल्सो जैसे वो वॉमिटिनो वाला जब भी सीन होता है dude I love the setting of that scene it is so authentic because मेरा ऐसा था कि जिसने ये ऐसी कोई चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस की है लग रहा है कि उसने सेम टू सेम वो
Yeah.
छापा है यहाँ
Right,
पे
Yeah.
which is so good because or when you as somebody who has been on family and family friends trip also उधर भी हमारे ऐसे होते थे ना कि बच्चे बच्चे जो है who are not exactly friends with each other but they would still talk and chill at night
Those
that I
lame
think
jokes.
lame jokes या ऐसा कोई चीज़ पे हंस रहे हैं
Yeah,
that
at
I
one
really
point
liked.
Rahul Bose says ke, do you all know the nakshatra? And one of the kids
Yeah.
says naksha what?
One of the uncles is sitting, you know.
Yeah.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Like
जाओ
he's-
इधर से.
He's trying so hard to be cool, but just
Yeah, I felt very represented at that moment.
honestly I felt like an uncle too क्योंकि जब भी वो बोल रहा था I was like गलत क्या है इसमें सही तो है ये लड़की इसको बोरिंग क्यों बुला रही है I felt offended on his behalf.
I really also the subtle fat shaming digs at Shefali Shah was so
And her
pointed.
eating that cake.
Cake, yeah,
like,
stress
yeah.
eating, yeah.
Stress eating.
Stress
yeah.
eating.
Then the Manoj Pawar daughter, their parents asking her, तो ये क्या पहन के आई है
You know,
नूरी
the
को
whole-
देख.
that whole scene was like jacket कहाँ गए तुम्हारा पहन लो and her mother the
Yeah,
other
के
scene
उतार
right
दो.
after that scene
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
like तुम्हारा जैकेट उतार दो बेटा.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah.
That
yes.
scene was really good.
Another point over here to make is women. This is like how different women educate their daughters. Like abhi there are different parenting styles. So like honestly like I have seen mothers जो मेरी माँ तो ऐसी नहीं है but I've seen mothers but of course like you know every other mother on the cruise was just like Shefali Shah dependent on their
Yeah.
husband.
Yeah.
ठीक है and them dealing with their husband's
हमें
extramarital
जॉब कौन देगा? Remember that scene?
हमें जॉब कौन देगा
हमें job कौन
exactly
देगा?
so then different parenting styles अभी शेफाली शाह की बेटी है she happened to like be a business woman but
Right.
दूसरों का वो केस
हाँ,
नहीं है ना
हाँ.
so like all the others they know कि हमारी बेटी ने अगर किसी अमीर लड़के को नहीं फंसाया तो what is their future
Yeah.
so then like how in subtle ways like you ask them to dress up just so that you can फसाओ rich lads and all which is also very nicely shown in that one scene I think मनोज पावा वाला ही सीन ना जब भी वो बोलती है मनोज पावा और who
Which scene?
वो जो 2 बेटियां है एक
Yeah,
चश्मे
the family is having
the family
Oh,
is
yeah,
having
yeah,
lunch.
yeah.
हाँ फिर
Yeah,
जब
that little nerdy kid is also very smart.
हाँ वो nerdy
तुम
kid.
तो सच धज के नहीं जाओगी तो तुम लड़कों को कैसे फंसा पाओगे?
Yes, and the
That's
father
it,
looks at the mother like, what are you
क्या बोल
teaching
रहे
them? Which was so nice. Which was so,
Yes,
because
very
father
subtle.
usually does not understand all
Yeah.
this, and the mother is like, you stay out of it. You don't know how I passed. You shut up.
After Galla Gunia, when Aisha Raza comes, who's playing Manoj Pawar's wife, and she sees the kid at the bar, and she's like, "तू बार में क्या कर रही है?" And her response is, "आपका डांस देखने के बाद और कहाँ जाती है?"
Yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah.
But I hate the fact that the fathers expect mom to teach.
Yeah.
That's like तुम क्या सिखा रही हो? तुमने बात नहीं की. तुम्हें पता था divorce कर रही है. It's always the mother who gets blamed. Like dad should also be a bit involved.
Yeah. Which is why like the blame falls on the mother, no, like
Yeah,
everywhere,
at the
and also
end,
that the mother is responsible for the daughter so much that imagine she's dressing up the daughter so that other boys can find her attractive.
Yeah.
Which can be so contradictory in the mom's head because 2-3 साल तक मैं इसको लड़कों से बात भी नहीं करने दे
Yeah,
रही थी.
now you have
And
to-
now you are dressing her up, dolling her up, which is a practice that has been practiced since the medieval times.
Yeah, true.
So something that still happens. So that I also felt was a really nice detailing that they showed.
Okay, guys, since I'm the eldest of you all, I'm gonna break some gyan down for you
Oh
all.
my god! Finally, yay!
No, dude. So my takeaway is like growing up, you always see your most exposed to your parents, right? So you always make mental notes. Say, I will not be like my dad, or I will not be like this. These qualities of my parents, I will not take. But I don't know how. The older I'm getting, the more I realize, fuck, I'm becoming more and more like my dad. You know, it's like small things. Like when I was a kid, I used to remember this thing. Whenever my dad used to enter a room and or light nahi chalu hoti thi, he used to turn on the light. I'm like, पापा को क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अच्छी खासी मूड लाइटिंग थी, लाइट ऑन कर देते हैं. मैं तो कभी नहीं करूँगा. एंड नाउ आई डू द एग्जैक्ट सेम थिंग व्हेन आई एंटर अ रूम एंड इफ इट्स डिमली lit, I'm like, लाइट क्यों नहीं चालू है? And I turn on the lights. I'm like, oh shit, I'm turning into my
what
dad.
I feel is like girls don't want to be like their moms.
Okay.
And boys, on the other hand, they're like, I will never be as good as my dad, or maybe as
yeah.
or
as bad.
successful, or I don't know what to
But
call
it really
word.
depends on the kind of relationship you had with your father.
Sure.
Like in
yeah.
this movie, Aisha doesn't want to be like her mom. Like मुझे divorce देना है, and the Kabir, like, Kabir is like I will never be as good as you, dad. You know.
Correct. I think again that little bit of generational trauma that's built in there because fathers, because of the patriarchy, the fathers expect more from their sons. So the sons then bear that responsibility. Oh shit, I have to live up to the expectation of my dad.
And Ranveer Singh is not even trying. उसका ऐसा है कि we see Ranveer Singh at a point where he has given up.
Yeah.
He knows he can't be as great as him, so now he does not care about anything they say. Which is why he laughs in their face when they are telling him तुझे उससे शादी, अगर तूने उससे शादी नहीं की तो हमें अपने shares बेचने पड़ेंगे, हम घाटे में आ सकते हैं. Ranveer does not. I'm not saying marry her, but at least give little fuck, no. That is my point.
I love the way he is like, typical Raja beta. Yeah, and he's using it also.
Yeah.
कि एक काम करते हैं, engagement कर लेते हैं, फिर मैं बोलूँगा तूने मुझे छोड़ दिया, and I'll cry, and then my mom is like, no beta, and he knows like he's acting. I love the typical Raja beta in it.
Exactly, yeah. Like
fun
Ranveer,
way.
even though
Not in an evil way, but in a very fun way.
Dude, imagine he's 25 already. Okay, तो imagine तुम्हारे पापा इतने stressed है about his career. He is stressed about losing his company shares. तुम्हें अपना घर भी शायद बेचना पड़ सकता है. And all he cares about is मेरा plane बेचना है. How naive do you have to be? Like I get it, तेरा trauma होगा. But I mean, come on, तेरे पापा को तेरे कंपनी के शेयर्स बेचने पड़ रहे हैं. इट्स अ वेरी बिग डिसीजन. उसमें अगर तुझे किस बात का बुरा लग रहा है, ये मेरा प्लेन बेच रहे हैं.
Yeah, like every one point is like मेरा plane.
Yeah,
Every scene is, even the engagement with Noori at the end is like plane मुझे.
Exactly.
And Zoya gives him a full moment, like in the early scenes of the film. वो plane उड़ाने के बाद जब वो land कर देता है, हाँ.
Yeah.
And in the hangar he's looking at the plane. He's written his name. Like that's a moment between him and the plane. I think it was beautiful. Dil Dhadakne Do was the 9th highest grossing film of 2015. You guys want to take a guess what the highest grossing film was?
2015.
Of 2015, yes.
Yes.
It's-
Dangal?
No, but it does star one of the big three Khans, and it's like one of his most popular films. In the
Bajrangi
last-
Bhaijaan?
Yes.
Oh damn.
Surprisingly, I was surprised to see this Drishyam earned more than Dil Dhadakne Do. Drishyam was
Drishyam
the
was
eighth
good
highest
movie. Okay,
grossing.
it was really good.
Drishyam was one of those word of mouth films that just
Yeah,
did
it's
so
true.
well. Word of mouth, I would like to give it to the Indian audience. They might not do it for every good movie, but when they do it so good. Like I Lapata Ladies पे हमने word of mouth देखा था. Honestly, जब भी मैं Lapata Ladies देखने की, it was in the third week in the theaters. It was still packed.
Even this
So-
one, 12th Fail, also was a
Yeah.
word
Yes.
of mouth hit.
Yes, yes.
Speaking of Vikrant Massey.
Yeah.
But yeah, Mariam, any last points you want to add about Dil Dhadakne Do? Before we go to
Yeah.
categories?
See Pluto on my phone.
Oh wow!
That's
Nice.
But no, in general also like I didn't like the whole styling of Anushka Sharma. उसको सिर्फ
Oh.
काला ही बना दिया था. Like,
अरे अभी
But that's
अभी
what you
beginning में
related
तो
to,
you
right?
liked
हाँ.
it, no?
I know. I'm saying that 2015 में I was
अच्छा,
a big
okay.
fan of like
अच्छा,
Anushka
okay.
Sharma. I was like, you know, I really like Anushka's style, like full gothic and all. And I was obsessed with her lips, by the way, during the Piku and all. I know people hated that, but I was like a big fan. But yeah, Priyanka's styling was overall amazing.
Ujita, what from Dil Dhadakne Do has aged the best, or what is it not aged so well?
I think the relationships. The
Have aged the
relationships in
best.
the film, they have
Okay.
aged the best.
Hmm.
The honest and very accurate representation of family dynamics have aged the best. And what hasn't aged the best, I don't know, man. Maybe the songs aren't as good as other.
What are you saying?
Zoya
मुझे
Akhtar films.
songs के बारे में भी लगा कि यार these are really good songs.
Good,
I
but
didn't
like,
give them.
Not all of them, man.
No?
Yeah, like as
Zyada.
compared to like other
ZNMD?
songs of Zoya Akhtar and Farhan Akhtar universe, but उतने पसंद नहीं आए. What hasn't aged, I think, maybe the concept of feminism, because it has like
Concept of
gained a lot of momentum in the last few years, but also like we are regressing simultaneously, so I'm not sure. But actually, I would like to listen to your responses.
According to you, what says the best and what hasn't
The
aged so
cruise
well?
typical show-off party.
Has aged well?
Yeah, literally अंबानी का wedding था. Cruise पे लेके गए थे. So yeah, this cruise trend is going on.
That's
so
actually true. Yeah.
But yeah, I really like it. I mean, like when I saw the movie, I was like, oh, I wish I had those problems.
You still do, no? That was the whole point. You still do in some or the other way, no? Like if you have carried trauma from your parents, then you are facing the same
Yeah, but we don't
problems.
have the money to do it on a cruise.
That's also
while
true.
Yeah,
watching,
मतलब
while
ऐसे
doing
वाले
Turkey.
problems चाहिए.
Okay.
Which Ambanis have, like
Yeah.
keeping
Yeah.
everyone at, you know, this
हाँ.
Greece, Italy का
कि
party.
रिहाना और जस्टिन बीबर के फ्लाइट्स को इनसाइड हो रहा है वैसा प्रॉब्लम
Ah,
चाहिए.
like that.
So, yeah,
That
this
is a
has-
good problem to have.
I know,
feel.
yeah.
Very good problem
Yeah, it's
to
like
have.
typically taking this cruise wala thing.
Correct.
Especially this
Yeah.
has like aged the best.
And
What?
you mentioned that Anushka's fashion sense you think hasn't aged well.
Yeah, no.
Anything else?
Not really, yeah.
Okay.
These 2 pointers.
I have a point for what hasn't aged so well according to me. I think the climax is a little weak to try and
yeah,
do this
good
whole
point.
comedy thing of jumping
Yeah,
in
I
the
mean,
water.
drama thoda kam tha last mein.
I know, right?
Could have been more.
And especially
Maybe
when
Priyanka would have died. Or maybe Anushka.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now you've got an alternate ending territory.
I think dark.
That
Sometimes-
escalated very quickly.
ये जो
I believe in
तुमने
dark ending.
ये जो तुमने डर को अंजाम दे दिया है इस मूवी में. Get it? Yeah.
But yeah, considering ZNMD ends with this poetry being them running and the poetry playing in the background and luck by chance also like very poignant. One guy makes it, one person doesn't. I think as compared to that, the ending for this climax for this is a little weak. What's aged the well? I think the performances have aged really
What's
well.
aged the well?
What's
You
aged the
said-
well? What has it aged the well? What's aged the best? I think the acting performances in this film across the board are really great.
Yeah.
I think the aesthetic choices have really aged
Yeah,
well. Zoya Akhtar
definitely.
just has something.
I mean, I love the vacation fits and all.
Yeah,
Like, she
yeah.
gave a whole new thing, like full old money style, Ralph Lauren and all.
What do you mean when you say old money?
Like, you know, those polo t-shirts,
Okay,
checkered pants,
got it.
striped shirts and
Okay.
all those.
All right. Okay. If you had to program a double feature with Dil Dhadakne Do, which one would you choose?
Like, it's a movie or kya? Movie, matlab.
It can be a movie, it can be a TV show, whatever you want.
Made in Heaven.
Ooh.
Both season 1 and 2.
No, just season 1.
Okay, not a bad choice. And for you, Mariam?
इसको तो बहुत सारी मूवीज याद है, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं, कोई लिस्ट दो ना मुझे. मैं
Like anything you thought where the family dynamic.
कभी खुशी कभी गम and दिल धड़कने दो.
Not bad.
Wow.
That's actually a very good choice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, like surface level family problems and like मैं ऐसे क्यों किया surface level family problems and deep rooted deep tissue family
problems through Karan Johar lens and family problems through Zoya Akhtar lens.
Yeah, that would have been fun.
What would I program with Dil Dhadakne Do? That's a good question. I would say another Zoya Akhtar film called Gully Boy.
मुझे लगा ही था.
Yeah,
लगा ही था, why?
because Zoya Akhtar being criticized for first world problems, I think then she makes a genuine attempt to go the other way and show a struggling rapper from the slums of Mumbai. Also, I think Zoya gets really good performances out of Ranveer. So yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Considering he's known as this hyperactive guy in this film, he's very subdued. Like he's playing the kind of little calm guy. And I think he's really good in Gully Boy as well. So those two. And finally, on a rating scale of 1 to 10, Mariam, if you had to rate Dil Dhadakne Do on a scale of 1 to 10.
I would rate 8 because I didn't like the ending.
Okay.
I mean, why weren't there like no
Why didn't
baby?
Priyanka die?
Yeah. And Anushka Sharma तो दिखाया नहीं, मतलब तो her role was very less.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's playing a little bit of a manic pixie dream girl. कि
Yes.
वो
वो
फिल्म में
अपनी
आके
zone
लड़के की जिंदगी बदल के
Anushka
चली
Sharma
जाएगी.
played the same role in many movies though. Manic
Little
Pixie
bit,
Dream
yeah.
Girl.
But then again, since you said she's carried the baton from Geet.
Exactly.
Yeah, she did
Yeah.
exactly that.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. Ujjata, for you, on a Has It Aged Well scale?
I think it has aged. I think 8. Yeah.
Okay.
See, we're besties.
Yeah.
I would give this a 9 because I gave ZNMD
Just
an
because
8.
we said 8, you're giving
No,
9.
because
just
I gave.
just
मैं
because.
लड़का हूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा
अब्बास को
Just
हमसे
because-
डेस्टिनी बनना है.
No, क्योंकि मैंने ZNMD को 8 दिया था. Throughout the episode I've said I like this more than ZNMD. So yeah, it's actually one of those films like the more I've seen it, the more I've liked it. So I would give it a 9 on 10. I have a soft spot for Zoya.
And why weren't there no babies? Like,
अरे
just because you're rich. बच्चे ही नहीं है कोई. Like,
पूरी
5-6
पिक्चर में
साल.
यही तो बताया कि बच्चे करो तो क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होती है.
But did you notice like it's like
Oh yeah, very
you
good
know,
point.
अमीर लोग हैं, like अंबानी भी अमीर है, but 3 तो बच्चे थे ना. Like 3 small babies. I mean, they did not have any kids like roaming
Good
around.
Yeah. Oh yeah, good point.
It's actually a good point. The
Yeah.
cruise can't be a great experience if you have kids
Yeah.
around.
Yeah.
और यूजुअली ऐसी जगह पे तुम बच्चों को
लेके जाते हो.
बाजू
I
वाले
mean,
के बच्चों को लेके
I'm
आओगे.
sure Zoya Akhtar might have added, but then she's like, you know what, ये बच्चा, suppose 4-5 साल का, cruise पे हम इसको लेके जाएंगे. No, not fun. Let's not do that. Remove the role. निकाल दो उसको.
Because already the dog was too much to deal with. I'm guessing. So
Yeah, imagine dog
yeah.
puking.
Louis Vuitton. Cool. So 8, 8 and 9 is a pretty high scoring movie from our end. Let's do the alternate ending segment right now. Alright, this is the alternate ending segment where we suggest an ending other than the way the film ended, or we pitch a sequel or a prequel. So in this film, it's implied that the family is now in a better position than they started because Kabir jumps into the water and they all rescue him. And also Anil Kapoor's character has a heart attack. So if Zoya Akhtar came to you, Mariam, and be
Okay.
like, Mariam,
Alternate ending.
oh my
Mariam
God,
version.
you've prepared for this, yes.
Yes. So Anil Kapoor dies. Aisha's pregnant with the child. And
To be
Anushka,
continued.
and because of this trauma, Kabir doesn't run behind Anushka and marries Noori. And now because of this, Noori has to marry him.
Wow.
That would be
Damn.
fun. Now that's what a rich family problem. ये तुम्हारी
Rich,
problem.
relatable family
ये
problem.
क्या
yeah.
अच्छी वाली ending बता दी.
Yeah, in
Like
one
gas. What is this gas? You should have died.
in one fell swoop, you have given an alternate ending and also set up a sequel. Now I want to know what more will happen with these people in their lives.
Yeah.
That's
So
amazing.
now,
Go on.
In the voice, yes. So now.
there's this another movie, Dil Dhadakne Do Part 2,
Hmm.
where the baby has come. Like 4 साल का बच्चा हो गया है. and then she falls in love with
Who falls in love?
oh wait
The
I'm talking about
4-year-old kid.
Aisha.
Okay.
So now Aisha has the baby, and now Aisha handles the whole Aika because
okay.
Kabir
Kunal
is like,
Kapoor is dead."
dude मेरे से तो नहीं होगा, तू कर ले.
Yeah.
I know you're pregnant, but you can do this. You're
Yeah.
a strong, independent
Yeah.
woman. And then he becomes like a whole fuckboy. He's cheating on Noori, of course, like his father. And Noori is full upsetty. And I'm so sorry. Like, it's a big
No,
movie,
go ahead.
right?
I'm
I need
loving
a
this.
pause.
Yeah, of course.
And
yeah, I get it.
yeah, and Aisha again meets Sunny.
Oh.
And then she falls in love with him.
Again? Okay.
Yeah, and then she has his baby. But they never marry again.
आयशा का तूने बेबी मशीन जो बना दी है
Yeah, you're
वो-
really making up for the lack
वो-
of babies in the first movie.
यार वो इन्वेस्टर की तरह हर एक की शेयर्स उठाए जा रही है, ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है यार.
Oh my god, are people going to hate me?
she has this Sunny's baby, but they still don't get married.
Yeah.
Why won't they
She's
get
handling
married?
a company, but she's pregnant.
She has 2 kids from 2 different fathers. Like a true businesswoman.
Oh, Urjita, can you top
Yeah.
that for the alternate
I
ending?
cannot. Alternate ending में like, so of course I didn't want to kill anybody off, but I wanted like a thoda. I also wasn't happy with the climax.
Okay.
That they
Yeah.
all four of them just run away. I think that climax could have been suited if the family was the victim of the entire circumstance. Like अगर family को सब लोग तंग कर रहे रहते और फिर वो उसमें जम करके जाते, then it would have made a lot more sense कि बाबा हमको fake नहीं बनना है. Like you know, on the cruise that could have been an alternate problem too, right? चारों लोग आपस में खुश है, but unfortunately they are surrounded by their biggest haters. So like if that was the plot of the film, in that case the climax would have made a lot more sense. But यहाँ पे वो आपस में उनका प्रॉब्लम, मुझे लग रहा है कि भाई तुम चारों को जिनसे प्रॉब्लम है उनके साथ ही तुम एग्जिट कर रहे हो.
Right.
ऐसा
I mean, the problem is like they at the end they were like, नहीं ये 4 लोग मतलब पूरी फैमिली टॉक्सिक है and ये 4 लोग भाग गए. It was the opposite. You were the main toxicity in the whole group.
एग्जैक्टली. लाइक मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो समस्या का समाधान किया उन्होंने एंड में. ठीक है, सारा नूरी को बताया कि बाबा तेरे से तो शादी नहीं हो सकती, आई एम सॉरी, सब कुछ उन्होंने बताया. एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल परमीत सेठी की लीनियज के साथ ही क्यों होता है कि उसको एंड में बताया जाता है आपसे शादी नहीं होने वाली है, फर्स्ट DDLJ ना दिल धड़कने
And
दो.
then 20 years later, in Dil Dhadakne Do, yeah.
यस, सेम उसके साथ ही क्यों होता है बेचारे के साथ, पता नहीं.
Did you guys notice that Noori, when she tells her the story of her fiance leaving her, it's exactly the thing that happens with Saif in Dil Chahta Hai. He went to Goa, fell in love with a hippie, and he left me. Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Damn, conspiracy theory.
Yeah.
So that's your alternate ending.
My alternate ending, actually I did not give any.
Yeah,
I just
you
said
did.
that ये जो ending है
ये
ये
problem
suitable
था.
नहीं है. मैं alternate beginning दे रही हूँ.
Cool. Okay.
For the film, but
My
yeah.
alternate ending is so just like in your version, the Anil Kapoor character dies, and
We go along dark.
none of their children is able to like Aika संभाल नहीं पाते हैं. Then Parmeet Sethi's character screws over Ranveer Singh and takes all the shares. So now all of Aika is owned by Parmeet Sethi, and this family is now like they're down in the dumps. They've gone bankrupt, so they have nothing to do. Okay, they have no money. So then they have to unfortunately live in a slum. So then Ranveer Singh is like, "Ab main kya karu?" So Ranveer is like, "Maybe I can try and rap and get some money back
Wow.
and everything."
What just happened?
And then
Wow.
we realize, oh my god, Dil Dhadakne Do was a Gully Boy prequel, guys. अपना टाइम आएगा.
Wow. From Dil Dhadakne Do to Schitt's Creek
Yes.
to Gully Boy.
To Gully Boy.
Wow.
There you go. That
Wow.
was Zoya Akhtar
Hey,
cinematic
Divine is
universe.
actually, you know, Divine was actually old, like rich guy.
Really? No, I don't know.
That's what he did, right?
मुझे
Really?
actually
Even
मुझे
I
नहीं
didn't
पता.
know
I have
this.
no idea.
I'm just
about-
saying that, like,
In
Dil
my
Chahta-
version?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Divine, that's what he did.
In
Divine was actually rich boy. That's what he said.
Since Gully Boy is based on Divine,
Acha,
what
oh,
I'm
that.
essentially saying is Divine was like flying planes once upon a
Nice.
time, and then everything.
Yeah.
Apna plane aayega. Anyway, thank you so much, Mariam, for taking time out and being on this podcast. Anything you want to plug? Where can people find you on social media? Please tell us.
Yeah, it's Mariam.
It's _ Mariam, right?
Yeah, it's underscore.
Cool.
I forgot.
It's Mariam.
The link will be in the show description, so you can click on that and follow Mariam. Urjita, where can people find you?
It is not her pronoun, just saying. It's just her username. But you guys can follow me on Instagram @urjitavani and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which goes by the same name, and come for my live shows, guys. Sign up for my mailing list if you want regular updates on my shows.
Yeah, she's really funny.
Yay,
And if you've been to Urjita's show, like, put it in the comments of our episodes. I think some people have done that.
Some people
so,
have
yeah,
done that,
Please
yeah.
tell us where you found her, where you saw her live, and put it in the comments. And you can follow me on Twitter @AbbasMomin and AbbasMomin88 on Instagram.
Okay, now give a heart, okay? Like this.
All of us.
Yeah, all
Okay.
of you. 3, 2, 1.
That was our episode on Dil Dhadakne Do. This is a butter knife which I'm using. You can follow us on social media. We are IVM Pop, and subscribe to the IVM Pop channel, and hit the like button, press the bell icon, share this episode with the rich dad of your life who you think should watch Dil Dhadakne Do and this episode. And we'll be back next week with a new guest and a new movie. Till then, bye-bye.